Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 5th of June. In this short video I'll be looking at the charts on the euro against the US dollar. I last looked at this Forex cross on the 25th of May and consolidation was to be expected, or so I believed. Well, we did have some consolidation for a few days. Then the euro moved back up. It's since consolidated a bit and we're virtually unchanged to where we were on the 25th of May. What we'll see from the charts is that on the weekly we're up to long-term resistance levels, and that on the daily, just today with the weakness we're seeing in the euro, there are some bearish factors coming into play. So on the daily chart, you can see that from the 25th of May we've come off, we've rallied, and today we've got a bit of weakness. You can see that it's still slightly overextended away from the moving averages. You can just see the yellow line here, which is the 20-day moving average, and is presently at 111.21. That's really the first support line, but with the index at 112.43, you can see we are quite extended from there. Below there we've got the 50-day moving upwards, but the longer term 200-day is still moving down. On the RSI, we can see that the upside momentum is slightly being lost. We're in a shallow downtrend there, although still well above 50 at 63.84, so still positive. The MACD, which were indicative of upside momentum in the rally that we had in early May, is now sidelining. On the weekly chart, you can see that we're up to the resistance levels back in September. And in fact there's loads of resistance from the present level up to about 114.50. Multiple resistance points where the sellers have outnumbered the buyers previously, and where people will be looking to sell any rallies. Here the 200 week is still moving downwards, well above the market. The 20 and the 50 week moving averages are moving up. The blue line here, the 50 week, has just started to edge up. Now in the next couple of weeks we will get the 20 week crossing the 50 week in a bullish formation. That should give support to the market, but let's see where the market is when that happens. It looks like it's going to happen. I mean, the 50 week is at 108.87. Probably it's going to happen, around about 109.50, which the 110's a support level anyway. But whether the market will come back that quickly over the next couple of weeks, let's wait and see. The RSI and MACD on this weekly are both still showing positive momentum. Now on the 4-hour chart, you can see the breakdown that we've had today. That's brought the index back to the 24-hour moving average. It did trade on that just after the open this morning, and is slightly above it at the moment. The 54-week average, 4-hour average, is moving upwards at 112.07, and would be the next support on this 4-hour chart. The thing that strikes me about the 4-hour chart though is the RSI, which is cracked downwards, still above 50, 54.47. However, starting to show negative momentum. It'll only take another downtick over the next 4 to 8 hours, and that will go below 50. And likewise, the MACD are both short-term, long-term now are at the same levels, and it'll only take another move down over the next 1 or 2 ticks, the next 4 to 8 hours, for that to be shouting a sell signal. What we did have also potentially is a false break on a reverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break. Turned out to be a false break, and so the key support would be the 50-day, which needs to be watched 112.07, break below there, that breaks that picture, and then we could be testing the supports around about the 111.25 level. So looking at the support resistances, resistance 1's at 112.838 and resistance 2 at 113.7, with the 20-day giving support at 111.21, and then their second support at 111.094. So that's been TA for traders, having a look at the euro US dollar foreign currency cross. I hope you found the video of interest. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. We've got 100 subscribers now. Yippee. Keep going, and let's get it to 200 over the next month or two. But let's keep the subscriber numbers rising. If you're on any bulletin boards, do post this video on the bulletin board. Let people know about TA for traders. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinions, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.